previous forum and all associated information have been permanently removed. The reasoning behind this decision is to facilitate a more streamlined and user-friendly experience. This means that the old forum structure, its threads, posts, user profiles, and any data contained within it are no longer accessible. The intention is to provide a cleaner, more intuitive, and more efficient platform for users. The removal was likely undertaken after careful consideration of various factors, including the forum's performance, usability, security, and maintenance costs. A common motivation for such a change is to address issues such as outdated software, complex navigation, slow loading times, or vulnerabilities to security threats. Furthermore, consolidating resources onto a new platform can simplify administrative tasks and reduce overall costs. The decision to remove the old forum data completely suggests that migrating or archiving the information was deemed impractical or unnecessary. This could be due to technical limitations, data redundancy, legal considerations, or simply a strategic decision to focus entirely on the new platform. The new platform will likely offer improved features, a more modern design, and enhanced security measures. The developers may have incorporated user feedback from the old forum to address pain points and improve the overall experience. Examples of potential improvements include a simpler interface, faster search functionality, mobile responsiveness, enhanced spam filtering, and better integration with other systems. In terms of the technical aspects of the transition, several steps would have been involved. Firstly, a backup of the old forum data would have been created as a precaution. Secondly, the old forum software would have been decommissioned and removed from the server. Thirdly, the new platform would have been installed and configured. Fourthly, user accounts and data would have been migrated if applicable. Fifthly, the new platform would have been thoroughly tested to ensure stability and functionality. Finally, the new platform would have been launched, and users would have been notified of the change. To ensure a smooth transition for users, it is important to provide clear communication and support. This includes creating detailed documentation, providing tutorials, and offering assistance through various channels such as email, chat, or phone. Users may experience some initial confusion or frustration due to the change, so it is crucial to address their concerns promptly and effectively. The long-term benefits of a streamlined and user-friendly platform outweigh the short-term inconvenience of the transition. By providing a better experience, the new platform can attract more users, foster greater engagement, and ultimately achieve the organization's goals. The removal of the old forum also presents an opportunity to re-evaluate content strategy and ensure that information is organized and presented in a way that is most useful to users. This may involve creating new content, updating existing content, and implementing a more effective search functionality. By focusing on quality and relevance, the new platform can become a valuable resource for users. Furthermore, the organization should continuously monitor user feedback and make ongoing improvements to the platform to ensure that it continues to meet their needs. This includes tracking usage patterns, conducting surveys, and soliciting suggestions for new features and enhancements. By embracing a culture of continuous improvement, the organization can ensure that the new platform remains a valuable asset for years to come. The technical aspects of maintaining a forum involve several key areas. Firstly, server infrastructure, which involves managing the servers that host the forum software and database. This includes ensuring that the servers are properly configured, secure, and have sufficient resources to handle the expected traffic. Secondly, database management, which involves maintaining the forum's database, which stores all the posts, threads, user information, and other data. This includes regular backups, optimization, and security measures to protect against data loss or corruption. Thirdly, software updates, which involves keeping the forum software up to date with the latest security patches and feature updates. This helps to protect against vulnerabilities and ensures that the forum is running smoothly. Fourthly, security, which involves implementing security measures to protect the forum from attacks such as spam, hacking, and denial of service attacks. This includes using firewalls, intrusion detection systems, and other security tools. Fifthly, moderation, which involves moderating the forum to ensure that users are following the rules and guidelines. This includes removing offensive or inappropriate content, banning users who violate the rules, and resolving disputes between users. Sixthly, backups, which involves regularly backing up the forum's data to ensure that it can be recovered in the event of a disaster. This includes backing up the database, the forum's software, and any other important files. Seventhly, performance optimization, which involves optimizing the forum's performance to ensure that it is running quickly and efficiently. This includes optimizing the database, the server configuration, and the forum software. Eighthly, user support, which involves providing support to users who are having problems with the forum. This includes answering questions, troubleshooting problems, and providing guidance on how to use the forum. The choice to remove the old forum entirely rather than migrate it could be due to several factors. Firstly, technical debt, which refers to the accumulated cost of suboptimal design choices made over time. The old forum might have been built on an outdated technology stack or with poor coding practices, making it difficult and expensive to maintain or upgrade. Migrating such a system could be more complex and risky than starting fresh. Secondly, data integrity issues. The data in the old forum might be inconsistent, corrupted, or poorly structured. Migrating such data could introduce errors and inconsistencies into the new platform. Thirdly, security vulnerabilities. The old forum might have known security vulnerabilities that are difficult to patch or mitigate. Migrating it would carry over these risks to the new platform. Fourthly, redundancy. The information in the old forum might be outdated, irrelevant, or duplicated elsewhere. Migrating it would clutter the new platform with unnecessary data. Fifthly, compliance requirements. The old forum might not comply with current data privacy regulations, such as General Data Protection Regulation. Migrating it would require significant effort to ensure compliance. Sixthly, cost. Migrating a large and complex forum can be expensive, requiring specialized expertise and resources. It might be more cost-effective to simply start over. Seventhly, strategic considerations. The organization might want to use the opportunity to completely reimagine the forum experience and implement a new design, features, and content strategy. Migrating the old forum would constrain these efforts. Eighthly, lack of resources. The organization might not have the resources or expertise to migrate the old forum. It might be easier to focus on building a new platform from scratch. In this context, Streamlined refers to the process of simplifying and optimizing a system or process to make it more efficient and user-friendly. It involves removing unnecessary steps, reducing complexity, and improving the overall flow of information or operations. Streamlining can be applied to various aspects of a forum, such as the user interface, content organization, moderation processes, and technical infrastructure. The goal is to create a more seamless and intuitive experience for users, while also reducing administrative overhead and improving performance. User-friendly refers to the quality of being easy to use, understand, and navigate. A user-friendly forum is designed with the needs and expectations of its users in mind, making it accessible and enjoyable for people of all technical skill levels. This involves using clear and concise language, intuitive navigation, a visually appealing design, and helpful features such as search functionality and user support. A user-friendly forum is also responsive to different devices and screen sizes, ensuring a consistent experience across desktops, laptops, tablets, and smartphones. In summary, the decision to remove the old forum and create a more streamlined and user-friendly experience reflects a strategic effort to improve the overall platform for users. This involves addressing technical debt, data integrity issues, security vulnerabilities, redundancy, compliance requirements, and cost considerations. The goal is to provide a cleaner, more efficient, and more enjoyable experience for users, while also reducing administrative overhead and improving performance. The new platform will likely offer improved features, a more modern design, and enhanced security measures. The organization should provide clear communication and support to users during the transition and continuously monitor user feedback to make ongoing improvements to the platform. By focusing on quality and relevance, the new platform can become a valuable resource for users and foster greater engagement.